How to remove underline in Adobe Acrobat. Let's clean up that markup. I am using the free web version. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Click All Tools, then choose Add Comments. Upload the PDF file that contains the underlined text. Once it opens, look to the left toolbar to make sure comment tools are active. Now, scroll to the underlined part. Click directly on the underline. It should highlight or show a bounding box. A mini toolbar will appear near it. Click the dustbin icon or press your delete key. The underline will be removed. Click Save at the top right corner to update your PDF if you are using the app. If the underline doesn't select, it may have been added through the Pros Edit tools. In that case, you won't be able to delete it using the free version. And that's how you remove underline in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.